Your 9 to 5 is no longer enough to survive the 2026 inflation. While the old world is complaining, the new world is building digital assets using AI. Let me be very clear. Prices are rising. Rent is rising. Groceries? Out of control. But right now, something bigger is happening. Shift. A massive shift where everyday people, no coding degree, no fancy background, are quietly building $500, $1,000, even $2,000 per month income streams using AI. And the best part, they're not working more hours. They're building digital assets that work for them. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI-driven income systems that you can start from home. This week, no fluff, no hype, just strategy. Let's get into it. Segment 1. Micro-SaaS Era are entering what experts call the Micro-SaaS Era. What does that mean? Instead of building massive tech companies, people are creating tiny laser-focused software tools and charging $10 to $50 per month. Here's the crazy part. You don't need to code anymore. AI coding agents can now build tools like resume generators, Instagram caption creators, local business review responders, appointment booking bots. Let me give you a real-world example. A simple tool that helps real estate agents auto-write property descriptions. Charge $19 Get just 100 users equals $1,900 a month. That's your first digital asset. How to start? Identify a small problem, very important. Use AI tools like code generators or no-code builders. Launch a simple web app. Sell via monthly subscription. Remember this. You don't need millions of users. You need 50100 paying customers. That's the micro-SaaS game. Segment 2. Automation agencies AAA. Now, let's talk about the fastest way to hit $2,000 a month. AI automation agencies. Right now in the US, small businesses are overwhelmed. They are drowning in emails, customer inquiries, appointment requests, and they don't understand AI. That's your opportunity. You step in and say, I'll automate your business using AI. The offer: email automation, customer support chatbots, lead follow-ups. Charge $500 per month per client. You only need 4 clients equals $2,000 a month. Tools you can use: AI email responders, chat automation tools, workflow builders. Your target clients: dentists, real estate agents, local gyms, e-commerce stores. Simple outreach script. Hey, I noticed you're getting a lot of customer inquiries. I can set up an AI system that responds instantly and books more appointments. Would you like a free demo? That's it. No complex sales funnel. Just solve a real problem. Segment 3. Faceless content assets. This is my favorite one. Faceless content assets. Channels like Wealth Report USA are part of a bigger trend. AI-driven media is the new digital real estate. You create content once, and it generates views, traffic, and income over time. What you can build: finance channels, AI news channels, side hustle content, motivational content, and you don't even need to show your face. AI handles script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail creation, monetization, ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products. One viral video can bring in $500 to $5,000 plus, and the content keeps working for you. That's not a job. That's an asset. The 30-day blueprint. Let's break this down into a simple 30-day plan. Week 1. Choose your path. Pick one model: micro-SaaS, AAA, or content. Research your niche. Identify one problem to solve. Week 2. Build. Create your tool, system, or channel. Use AI to speed everything up. Keep it simple. Week 3. Launch. Reach out to potential clients or publish your first 5-10 videos or release your SaaS tool. Week 4. Monetize. Close your first clients. Get your first subscribers. Improve based on feedback. Your goal: first $100, then $500, then $2,000 a month. Momentum is everything. The reality is simple. The world is changing. AI is not replacing you. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. So the question is, will you stay stuck in the old system, or will you build your first digital asset? Subscribe to Wealth Report USA to stay ahead of the AI wealth curve. Your first $2,000 starts here. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.